My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you all doing well today. Today I am going to share with you one of my favorite strategy called BBMA strategy, trade with the trend. This is my favorite strategy. To trade with this strategy, price should below or higher to the MA50. In this video, I will explain this strategy, how it works. Normally, I am trading on H4 time frame with this strategy, but it's okay with H1 and also M30 lower time frames. For example, the price is on uptrend and also over the MA50, you can see it very clearly. For example, you can see here price is over the MA50 and also price has been crossed over top BB, and then we have a chance to re-entry where moving average 5, 10 low like this. Here price will increase. When price cross top BB, always we have a re-entry at EMA 510 lower like this. Take profit should be previous high like this. Here we have another re-entry at moving average 510 low and take profit will be previous high. Here also price below MA50 and you can see we have a re-entry at moving average 510 high and take profit area previous low like this. Here another re-entry moving average 510 high and will be take profit area previous low like this. Here we have another example, price has been crossed low BB and then we have re-entry moving average 510 high and take profit area will be previous low like this. Another example, price below the MA50 and they are cross the low BB and re-entry moving average 510 high and take profit previous low like this. You can see price repeating same pattern here. Here we have another re-entry moving average 510 high and also take profit area will be previous low like this. Take another example here, price is below the MA50 waiting for price cross over low BB re-entry should be moving average 510 high. As always, press take profit area previous low. Here price over the MA50 waiting price cross over top BB, then re-entry at moving average 510 low and take profit area will be previous high. Here's another example. Price below the MA50. Waiting for price cross low BB. Re-entry will be moving average 510 high and take profit. Actually should say press take profit area previous low like this. Price can be dropped even further, but this is our first target area. Here we have another setup. So I think you will understand. This is very easy. All you need to do is practice yourself in demo account. If you have any problem, please comment below. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, I will repeat this formula. Price should be over the or below the MA50. Second, price should cross top BB or low BB. Then always there we have re-entry area at moving average 510 high or moving average 510 low according to the trend line. That is a very simple thing. This is so simple, but you need to have familiar these price acting for your eyes. For this you need to practice more and more, because knowledge is not enough to trade. With learn you need experience. If you don't understand, please comment below. I will make another video for you. In future I will share with you my live trading with this strategy on this my YouTube channel. Then you can learn even more. So this is for all today, and I hope you enjoy and learn something about new, and we can see you later in my next video. Take care. Bye.